Hello friends, this is 9th part of How to Make Online Examination System using PHP and MySql database, and in this part we will learn how to delete or cancel exam details. In previous part, we have seen how to edit or change exam details by using PHP script with Ajax and Bootstrap Modal. So, here also we will use Bootstrap Modal for delete or cancel exam details using PHP script with Ajax. First we want to make delete button and display in each of exam list. For this we have go to Ajax action.php file. And here in below $edit button, here we have defined one more $delete button is equal to blank value. After this, we have go into this if block of code. This code we have make in previous part. This code will check particular exam is not still started or completed. So under this part, we have write $delete button is equal to, button type is equal to button, name and class is equal to delete. In ID attribute, we have write $row online exam ID variable, this ID attribute and class attribute value, we will use in Jquery code part. After this, we have go to last $subarray variable, and here we have write $delete button variable, so it will display delete button, along with edit button. Friends, first we have refresh web page, and after this, here we can see delete button has been appear along with edit button, so when we have click on delete button, then Modal will pop up on web page. It will ask do you want to remove it or not. If we have click on OK button, then it will delete exam details. For this things, we have go to exam.php file, and here we can see Bootstrap for Modal code. In this first we have add ID attribute, and here we have write delete Modal. After this, in Modal title class, we have delete confirmation, this is title we can see at header of pop-up Modal. In Modal body class, we have write text like are you sure you want to remove this, this is message will be display under Modal. In Modal footer class, we have write button type is equal to button, name and ID is equal to OK button. Now we have go to Jquery code part, and here we have write $document selector, with on method, and under this we have write click event, with delete class, so when we have click on delete button, then this block of code will execute. Under this block, we have write exam ID is equal to $this with attribute method, and under this we have write ID, it will fetch value of ID attribute. Below this, we have write $with modal ID delete modal, with modal method, and under this, we have write show method, it will pop up modal on web page. After this, we have write $with button ID OK button, with click event, so when we have click on OK button, this block of code will execute. Under this block, we have start write Ajax request, and in this first option we have write URL option set to Ajax action.php, it will send request to this page. In second option, we have write method, and here we can define form data sending method, and here we have use post method for send data to server. In third option, we can define which data we want send to server, so here we have define exam ID variable, action variable with value delete, and page variable, with exam value. In fourth option, we have write data type, and in this option we can define in which data format we have to receive data from server, so here we have defined JSON, so it will receive data in JSON format. Lastly, we have write success callback function. This function has been called if Ajax process has been completed, and it will receive data from server. Under this function, we have write $with span tag ID message operation, with HTML method, and under this we have write bootstrap alert success class, with data.success variable, so it will display success message on web page. For remove modal from web page, here we have write $with modal ID delete modal, with modal method, and under this we have write hide, so it will remove modal from web page. For display remaining exam data on web page in Jquery data table, so here we have write data table variable.ajax.reload method. This method will display remaining data on web page, without refresh of web page. Now we have moved to write PHP script in Ajax action.php file, and here we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $post action variable value is equal to delete. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write $exam object, with data variable is equal to array. In this array, in key we have write $online exam ID, and in value we have write $post exam ID variable value. Below this array, we have write $exam object, with query variable is equal to delete from online exam table, where online exam ID is equal to $online exam ID. For execute this delete query, here we have write $exam object, with execute query method. This method will execute above query. Now we have write $output variable is equal to array, with key success, and in value we have write message like exam details has been removed. This message will be displayed on web page. Lastly, for send data to server, here we have write echo statement, with JSON encode method, with $output variable, it will send response to Ajax request in JSON format, so here our code is ready. Now we have check output in browser. Friends, first we have refresh web page, and here we can see edit and delete button in first row of exam data, so we have click on delete button. After click on delete button, here we can see Modal has been pop up on web page with confirmation message, with OK and close button. First we have click on close button. After click on close button, Modal has been fade out from Webpage, and no action has been taken, so we have again click on delete button. After click on delete button has pop up on Webpage, and now we have click on OK button. After click on OK button, here we can see success message on Webpage. And exam data has been removed from Webpage, so this way we can remove or cancel exam using PHP script with Ajax and Bootstrap Modal. In next part, we will discuss how to add question, in particular exam. If you have some suggestion regarding this PHP-based online examination system, you can comment in comment box. If you want to learn this system, please stay connected with us.